Okay, we're good.
Hey, Christenson drivers. We're here today to do our driver referral drawing. And what better way right before Father's Day than to have the founder of the company, Gene Christenson, my father, and my son, Raybon Christenson, here with us today. We want to remind you of how the rules for the drawing works. So every time you refer a driver, when that driver clears orientation, you get $250, and your name goes into a pot for a $4,000 drawing. Then when we have the drawing, if your name's not drawn, you get another $250, and one lucky winner gets $4,000. So for every driver you refer to Christenson Transportation, minimum amount's $500, and one lucky winner gets $4,250. So today's drawing, first name that goes in is Brad Gerald. You don't have to hold. Second name is William Slattery. There we go, that's better. The third one is Casey Dolph. Hope you guys are out there watching this. The fourth is Paul Mountain. He could win a mountain of money today. And the last name is Henry Harris. So we folded these all up equal. Raywon's going to shake that up.
Shake it, shake it.
And while he's doing that, we do want to wish every father out there a happy Father's Day this Sunday. And the lucky winner is William Slattery.